Hey, what's up 360 Photo Booth Squad? As you guys can see right here on my screen, I have the Snappic Masterclass I signed up for that's going to be taking place on April the 6th. Now, I reached out to Snappic and one of their managers reached out and gave me a free trial to test out their application in depth with all the cool little features and effects. So I'm going to take this app for a spin, try it out, dive into the details of what I like, what I don't like. Plus, on April the 6th, I'm going to go see what their masterclass is all about. All this information I'm gathering for you guys so that I can summarize it and give you guys the most important part of this class and the features that stood out to me the most. Now, the reason I'm doing this is because actually my entire 360 photo booth business journey, I've used TouchPix as my software provider. And honestly, I think TouchPix is a little too expensive. You're paying them $50 a week for a subscription for just 7 days. So 1 week subscription is $50, and that's the $50 that you have to minus from the profit of your event. And I think that's a little steep, especially for like people that are barely starting with their 360 photo booth business that are price sensitive, right? So let's go ahead and see what happens next. Stay tuned in. Always remember to make sure you are subscribed, especially if you're serious about diving into the business or if you just recently got your 360 photo booth and are ready to take off. I'm doing all this, guys, because I want us to succeed, and I want this community to just be the best community across all platforms, and I need your help. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.